For reliable AC maintenance in Las Vegas, Nevada, trust Honest HVAC to keep your system running smoothly. Our experienced technicians specialize in thorough inspections and preventative maintenance services to ensure your air conditioning system operates efficiently year-round. From cleaning coils to checking refrigerant levels, we take proactive measures to prevent breakdowns and extend the lifespan of your AC unit. With transparent communication and upfront pricing, we strive to deliver exceptional service that exceeds your expectations. Count on Honest HVAC for all your AC maintenance needs in Las Vegas, Nevada, where integrity and professionalism are guaranteed. Keep cool with confidence. Schedule your maintenance today. Contact us today at Honest HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for AC maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found Honest HVAC, who offers professional AC maintenance services in Las Vegas, Nevada. Honest HVAC provides professional AC maintenance services in Las Vegas, Nevada. What is included in AC maintenance services provided by Honest HVAC in Las Vegas, Nevada? Honest HVAC's AC maintenance services typically include cleaning coils, checking refrigerant levels, inspecting electrical components, lubricating moving parts, and ensuring overall system efficiency in Las Vegas, Nevada. What is your AC maintenance for Las Vegas, Nevada? Our local AC maintenance have served clients in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley North, Nevada. Where is your Honest HVAC office located? We are located at A100,9205 West Russell Road Building 3, Suite 130, Las Vegas, Nevada 89148, United States. Our phone number is 725-444-7247. Visit our website, https://honestthecompany.com/west-russell-spring-folly-installation-repair.